सुप्रभातं सर्वेभ्यः पुनः सप्तमकक्षायां स्वागतं शुभस्वागतम्। अद्य वयं सप्तमकक्षायाः द्वितीयं पाठं दुर्बुद्धिः विनश्यति इति पाठस्य अभ्यासं पठामः। ह्यस्तनकक्षायां यत्र अभ्यासः स्थगितः आसीत् ततः अग्रे अद्य सम्पादयामः। My dear students, welcome to 7th class Sanskrit classroom once again. Today, in this class, second lesson, Durbuddhihi Vinashyati. This lesson's exercises we are going to continue. In the last classes, we started the exercise. Today we are going to continue from yesterday's class. Let us do it. पंचमः अभ्यासः पूर्णवाक्येन उत्तरताम्. The fifth exercise, it tells that you have to answer the questions in full sentence. Let me read all the 4 questions and explain you. Later we will see the answers. प्रथमः प्रश्नः, कच्छपः कुत्र गन्तुम् इच्छति? द्वितीयः प्रश्नः, कच्छपः कम् उपायं वदति? तृतीयः प्रश्नः, लम्बमानं कूर्मं दृष्ट्वा पौराः किम् अवदन्? चतुर्थः प्रश्नः, कूर्मः मित्रयोः वचनं विस्मृत्य किम् अवदत्? पुनः प्रश्नं पठामि. प्रथमः प्रश्नः, कच्छपः कुत्र गन्तुम् इच्छति? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वेयर डज टॉर्टोइस वांट टू गो? द्वितीयः प्रश्नः, कच्छपः कम् उपायं वदति? सेकंड क्वेश्चन, which idea is given by tortoise? तृतीयः प्रश्नः, लम्बमानं कूर्मं दृष्ट्वा पौराः किम् अवदन्? थर्ड क्वेश्चन, आफ्टर सीइंग द हैंगिंग टॉर्टोइस व्हाट डिड पीपल से? चतुर्थः प्रश्नः, कूर्मः मित्रयोः वचनं विस्मृत्य किम् अवदत्? आफ्टर forgetting the promise given to its friends, what did tortoise say? Idanim उत्तराणि पश्यामः. Let us see the answers for these questions. प्रथमः प्रश्नः, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कच्छपः कुत्र गन्तुम् इच्छति? Where tortoise wants to go? उत्तरं, कच्छपः अन्यं ह्रदं गन्तुम् इच्छति. Tortoise wants to go to another lake. द्वितीयः प्रश्नः, सेकंड क्वेश्चन, कच्छपः कम् उपायं वदति? Which idea is given by tortoise? उत्तरं, कच्छपः युवां काष्ठदण्डम् एकं चञ्च्वा धारयताम्. अहं काष्ठदण्डमध्ये अवलम्ब्य युवाभ्यां पक्षबलेन सुखेन गमिष्यामि इति उपायं वदति. पुनः पठामि. कच्छपः युवां काष्ठदण्डम् एकं चञ्च्वा धारयताम्. अहं काष्ठदण्डमध्ये अवलम्ब्य युवाभ्यां पक्षबलेन सुखेन गमिष्यामि इति उपायं वदति. Tortoise tells, both of you catch a stick with your beak. I will hang in the center and with the help of your wings happily I can move. This is the idea given by tortoise. Spashtam agre chalamah. तृतीयः प्रश्नः लम्बमानं कूर्मं दृष्ट्वा पौराः किम् अवदन्? After seeing the hanging tortoise, what did people say? Uttaram Lambamaanam Kurmam Drishtva Pauraha Hamho Mahadaschyaryam Hamsabhyam Saha Kurmopi Uddiyate Iti Avadan. पुनः उत्तरं पठामि लम्बमानं कूर्मं दृष्ट्वा पौराः हंहो महदाश्चर्यं हंसाभ्यां सह कूर्मोऽपि उड्डीयते इति अवदन्. After seeing hanging tortoise, people told, "Oh God, hum ho," it's an expression. Mahadaschyaryam, very surprising. Hamsabhyam saha, along with swans. Kurmopi uddhiyate, even tortoise is also flying. Iti avadan. Like this they told. Chaturtha prashna. Kurmaha mitrayoho vachanam Vismrutya Kim Avadat. After forgetting the promise given to its friend, what did tortoise tell? Uttara Kurmaha Mitrayoho Vachanam Vismrutya Yuyam Bhasmakhadata Iti Avadat. Punaha Pathami Kurmaha mitrayoho vachanam vismritya yuyam bhasmakadata iti avadat. After forgetting the promise given to its friends, tortoise told, "You eat ash." That means ash means you will not get anything. Like this, the tortoise was scolding the people. Is it clear? Shall we move to the next exercise? घटनाक्रमानुसारं वाक्यानि लिखता. In this exercise, in a chronicle order, 8 jumbled sentences will be given in the textbook. So we are going to arrange them in a chronicle order according to the story, what comes first, next. So situation wise we are going to arrange. First, what happens? Kurmaha Hamsau ekasmin sarasi nivasanti sma. First, tortoise and swan were living in a pond. Next, kechana dhivaraha sarastire agachan. Some fishermen came near the pond. Vayam Shwaha Matsyakurmadin Marayishyamaha iti Dhivaraha Akathayan. We will kill fish and the tortoise tomorrow. Like this, fishermen were conversing. Next, Kurmaha Anyatra Gantum Ichchati. After listening to these fishermen, tortoise wants to go to another lake. Kurmaha Hamsayoho Sahayataya Akashamargena Agachat. Tortoise, with the help of swans in air, it travelled. Lambamanam kurmam drishtva pauraha adhavan. Looking at the hanging tortoise, people started running behind it. पौराः अकथयन् वयं पतितं कूर्मं खादिष्यामः. People told, we will eat this fallen tortoise. कूर्मः आकाशात् पतितः पौरैः मारितश्च. The tortoise has fallen from the sky and people have killed it. This is the chronical order. With the help of these words, we will come to know the entire story. Next exercise. सप्तमः अभ्यासः. मञ्जूषातः पदानि चित्वा रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयता. With the help of the words given in the boxes. Manjusha means in the box. With the help of given words in the box, please fill in the blanks. First of all, let us see the words. First, I will explain you the words and its meaning, so it will help you to complete the story easily. Jalashayam achintayat वृद्धः दुःखिताः कोटरे वृक्षस्य सर्पः आदाय समीपे. Now I will tell you the meaning. Jalashayam, pond. Achintayat, thought. Vruddhaha, old. Dukkitaha, very sad. Kotare, in the hole. The hole which is there in the tree, it is called kotare. Vrikshasya, trees. Trees means apostrophe s. Sarpaha, snake. Adaya, nam svikritya, taking. Samipe, near. So by this, I hope many of you might have came to know about the story which you have studied from the Panchatantra. Here is the story. With the help of these words, we have to fill in the blanks and complete the story. एतेषां पदानां सहायतया अस्माभिः कथापूर्तिः करणीया अस्ति. इदानीं भवन्तः पञ्चतन्त्रकथां स्मरन्ति इति चिन्तयामि. पश्यामः. एकस्य वृक्षस्य शाखासु अनेके काकाः वसन्ति स्म. एकस्य वृक्षस्य शाखा. एकस्य वृक्षस्य शाखासु अनेके काकाः वसन्ति स्म. On the branch of a tree, many crows were living. तस्य वृक्षस्य डैश एकः सर्पः अपि अवसत्. On the tree, dash, one snake was living. Kotare, tasya vrikshasya kotare. On the tree's hole, there lived a snake. Kakanam anupasthithau. Dash, kakanam shishun khadati sma. In the absence of these crows, he dash used to eat the eggs and their puppies. Kaha sarpaha kakanam anupasthitau. Sarpaha kakanam shishun khadati sma. Kakanam, ka is missing. Don't write as it is. You have to know the situation. Kakaha dash asan. Kakaha dukkitaha asan. Crows were very sad. Teshu ekaha dash kakaha upayam dash. Teshu ekaha vruddhaha kakaha upayam achintayat. Among them, one old crow got an idea. वृक्षस्य डैश जलाशयः आसीत्. वृक्षस्य समीपे जलाशयः आसीत्. Near the tree there was a lake. तत्र एका राजकुमारी स्नातुं डैश आगच्छत्. There one princess came to dash to take bath. तत्र एका राजकुमारी स्नातुं जलाशयम् आगच्छत्. शिलायां स्थितं तस्याः आभरणं डैश एकः काकः वृक्षस्य उपरि अस्थापयत्. शिलायां स्थितं तस्याः आभरणम् आदाय एकः काकः वृक्षस्य उपरि अस्थापयत्. राजसेवकाः काकम् अनुसृत्य डैश समीपम् आगच्छन्. The king's helpers, following the crow, came near dash. राजसेवकाः काकम् अनुसृत्य वृक्षस्य समीपम् आगच्छन्. तत्र ते तं सर्पम् अमारयन्. So they killed the snake. अत एव उक्तं. That's why it is told उपायेन सर्वं सिद्ध्यति. By plan everything works out. That's why get better plans, live better life. All the best. By this, the second lesson has completed. Thank you. Write neatly and we will check when you come back to the school. Thank you.